Introducing a practical range of lightweight, high-powered, cordless garden tools. One advantage with these tools is that they're environmentally sensitive and don't need any hazardous or expensive fuels to run. Instead, they share an interchangeable, long-lasting lithium 18-volt 2-amp-hour battery that fits all of these machines and is capable of powering some of them continuously for up to 60 minutes. The grass trimmer has a 4-position tilting and rotating head and folding flower guard. Comfort is provided by the rear anti-vibration handle, front support handle and telescopic handle for taller gardeners. The lightweight and compact hedge trimmer is great for keeping hedges and shrubs neat and tidy. This hassle-free product is much easier and safer to use compared to the risks associated with heavy petrol or corded trimmers, especially when standing on a ladder or platform. Clearing leaves and garden debris is easy thanks to this powerful, lightweight blower. With a blowing speed of up to 140 miles per hour, it's great for keeping paths and hard surfaces clean and tidy too. Additional batteries and chargers are available separately. Why not see for yourself the advantages and convenience of using Draper cordless garden power tools? They're light, powerful and cord-free.